Good afternoon, ninth class. How are you all? I hope you all are well in your home. Okay, let's start the new chapter in our biology. The second chapter is tissues. Okay, so tissues are groups of cells. We discussed about cell in a previous chapter. What is cell? Cell is the functional and structural unit of any organism. So lots of cells are gathered here. This groups is called tissue. Okay, so tissue are the groups or similar cells having same origin and perform the specific function. That's called tissues. Okay, the tissues are known as histology. The study of tissue is known as histology, a term introduced by Mayer. Who introduced this term tissue? Mayer. Okay. The tissue first evolved in Coelenterata, phylum Coelenterata. Okay. Tissue are categorized into two types: simple tissue or compound tissue. Simple tissue, if all the cell present in a tissue are similar in structure, function and origin, is called simple tissue. Okay, repeated. If all the cell present in a tissue are similar in structure, function or origin, they are called simple tissue. But the compound tissue, more than one type. Okay, that is called compound tissue. Okay, tissues are classified into two types: plant cell or animal cell. Okay, first we discuss about tissue. So its definition: tissues are group of the cell that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. Okay, here one tissue, and when the tissue are gathered is called, firstly here the cell. Okay, a lots of cell gathered here, that is called tissue. Tissues are gathered, they make it any organ. Okay, organ are gathered, or it's called any body of organism. Okay, same way the plant cell are gathered is called tissue. At the last, they gathered in any form of leaf or the plant body. Okay, so tissue, what is tissue? Tissue are the group of cells that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. Tissues are two types. One is plant tissue, another is animal. So difference between the plant and animal cells, let's see. Stationary or fixed. Plants tissues are stationary or fixed. That means the plant are always fixed any place. Okay, animal, they can move. So you already know all the animals are moved, but the plant are fixed. The second one, plant growth is limited region. That means जो इसकी ग्रोथ है वो क्या होती है, इलोंगेटेड होती है, यानी कि ऊपर की ओर और जड़ की ओर नीचे को बढ़ती है. बट द एनिमल ग्रोथ इन एवरी पार्ट. जो एनिमल होते हैं उनके क्या होते हैं, एवरी पार्ट मीन्स दैट लाइक फुट, हेयर, हैंड, every body part are grow. Third is need less energy to survive. In plants want need क्या होता है, कम से कम एनर्जी चाहिए होती है सर्वाइव करने के लिए, बट एनिमल नीड मोर एनर्जी टू सर्वाइव. मोस्ट ऑफ द टिश्यू आर डेड. इन प्लांट्स टिश्यू many of the tissues are dead, but in the animal cells more tissue are alive. ठीक है, that's the main difference between plant and animal. First is stationary or fixed. Animal, they can move. The second one is growth in limited region, growth in every part, need less energy to survive, need more energy to survive. The last one is more of the tissue are dead, most of the tissues are alive. Okay, tissue are two types: plant tissue and animal tissue. We already discussed. Let's see the plant tissue first. Plant have two types of tissues. First is meristematic tissue, second is permanent tissue. Okay. First, meristematic tissue, they are a simple living tissue which is capable of division and formation of new cells. Meristematic tissue, they are a simple living tissue which capable to division. Capable to division, that means a cell is divided many times. ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिविजन ऑफ फॉर्म न्यू सेल्स. ओके, present in growing region of the plant like root, growing branches, etc. Tip of the root, tip of the root, tip of the plant, where the growth are happen, that's meristemic tissue are present. Okay, second, meristemic tissues are three types. First is apical meristem, second is intercalary, third is lateral meristem. Let's see. First, apical meristemic meristem. Apical meristem means it present at the growing tip of stem or root. So this is tip or this is root tip. Okay, so that's here the found in apical meristem. Apical meristems, where it's found the growing region of stem and root. The second one is the tissue leads to elongation of stem and root. Elongation, growth of the plant is called elongation, where stems and roots. Third one is the elongated is primary growth of the plant. Apical meristem is involved in primary growth of the plant. Second meristemic tissue is intercalary meristemic tissue. It present in their internode. When the plant are branches here, this is called intercalary meristemic. First we talk about apical meristem. Is found in the tip of the plant or tip of the root, but intercalary meristemic found in the branch of the plant to promote the branch. Okay, its part apical meristem, which is the left behind during growth. It helps to longitudinal growth of the plant. It also grow the plant in a longitudinal way like this. The third one is the meristemic tissue. Meristemic tissue's third part is lateral meristemic tissue. Lateral means it occurs along the side longitudinal axis of the plant. First, two meristemic tissue grow the plant in elongated way, but this lateral meristemic tissue is width. Okay, plant width को बढ़ाएगा. It gives rise vascular tissue, xylem or phloem. It cases growth. It causes growth in the grid of the stem and root. Width को बढ़ाएगा root और stem की. This is responsible for secondary growth also. So this lateral meristemic, the lateral meristemic responsible for secondary growth. Okay, so that is all about the tissues. First we discuss about tissue. What is tissue? Tissues are a group of cells that have a similar structure and act together to perform a specific function. Tissue are two types, plant cell and animal cells. Difference between the plants are stationary or fixed. They can move, growth in limited region, growth in every part, need of less energy to survive. Here, need to energy to survive. Most of the tissues are dead, but here most of the tissues are alive. Okay, the plant cell also divided into two types, meristemic tissue or permanent tissue. Meristemic tissue capable of division and formation of new cells, capable of division. The second one characteristics, capable of division and another formation of new cells. It's three types, apical meristem, intercalary meristem or lateral meristem. Okay, apical meristem it present at the growing region of tip of the plant or root of the plant. Second is intercalary internodes, in a present of internodes to create branches. The third one is lateral meristem. Its growth in width, plant width. Okay, that is all about the tissues. Okay, thank you.